Hey folks, Dean Bendall, the Mortgage Dean here at HomeBridge Financial Services, and we're doing an agent interview today. With me today is Miss Aimi Rozier.
Hey.
Got a couple questions for you if you've got a second.
I've got plenty of time. Always time for you, Dean.
Oh, how nice. First and foremost, you have referred several of your clients to me and my team at HomeBridge.
We have.
Tell these fine folks why.
That's simple. It starts with the loan closes, because that's how we all make money.
Right.
It doesn't matter. But the biggest thing for me was communication. I like my clients to know what's going on. I work with a lot of first-time people. They need to be handheld, and your staff, your team, none of them bats an eye. And you know, I've told this story a million times. It all started with my personal transaction. I got my own home loan from you when I moved back from South Georgia, and it was by far, of 6 mortgages I've ever got, the best experience I'd ever had.
Well, that's very, very nice. And we appreciate those kind words, and we do strive very, very hard to communicate regularly on a certain schedule so that everybody knows what's going on, all the agents and the buyer.
Yeah, that's my clients. Of late, my clients know on Tuesday morning when they sign into their email, more than likely there's going to be an update from Dean and his team, and they like that.
Well, let's talk about teams for a second.
Okay.
I have a team, and I couldn't survive without them.
Right.
Let me ask you about you and your team. Why would a buyer or a seller be more interested in dealing with a team than an individual or independent agent without a team?
Well, any agent who does their job well is going to do their best to serve their clients. And like a lot of industries, all you have is your customer service that delineates you or makes you different from everybody else. So Shannon Watkins, who's our team leader, took that idea, that premise, almost 5 years ago now, I think 4 years ago, I know for sure, and decided, what can I do to make the home buying and home selling experience superior to other agents? Because they all got the same license that she got. They all have access to the same Georgia NMLS that she has.
Right.
And they all have access to the same lenders and same insurance people and that kind of stuff. So what can I do? And her idea was a team, so that it was a cohesive transaction where clients constantly had someone to serve them regardless of what happened, because life happens. And when you're an agent, you're an island. And kids get sick, tragedy happens, you get sick, you have to go on vacation occasionally and renew yourself. Your clients are on their own for those days. And she wanted to figure out a way to alleviate that. Came the team. What we've seen having a team happen more than just seamless customer service, because we have marketing directors, we have a closing coordinator, we have a team assistant, we have assistants who do follow up with other agents for us. What else has come out of that is you have all these brains together coming up with more ideas.
Very good.
More ways to market, more ways to sell your home, more ways to find you the perfect home. So it's worked out beautifully.
It's interesting you should bring it up that way, because those loan updates you were talking about are not done by me, because I couldn't possibly do all that and all the other items. One of my star team members takes care of that, gets the loan updates out, and then I just have to follow up.
Exactly.
So we just can't, once you reach a certain level of business, you just cannot do it alone. The team adds value to your
Absolutely.
What you do for your clients.
Absolutely. It absolutely adds value. It gives them the best customer service we can provide. The class, what did the name? I want to say seamless service because of another industry, but that's not it. Raving fans. We have created a team to create raving fans.
Perfect, perfect. Well, that's it this week, folks. I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you very much.